I think we know what's going on. You feel me? What that label read? Air Jordan 1, Retro Low OG, Obsidian, University Blue, Sell Things. Feel me? Pop the lid. What we have? Some shoelaces, some extra laces. They look like they cream, though. And then we got the, oh, shit. Yeah, man. What we got? Obsidian low things? Hey, yo, these is hard, yo. We ain't even gonna act like that. We ain't gonna act like that. Yo, these hoes is hard. Hold on, let me get the other one out. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get the other one out. Hold on. Oh, yeah, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, man. Hold on.